Docker. Hello.
Docker is a containerization tool.
Mm-hmm.
It's open source and lightweight containerization technology, which has gained whispered some popularity in the cloud with the application with the packaging industry. Mm, it allows to automate deployment of application
Mm-hmm.
in a lightweight manner, and it's portable. And that's why it mainly and widely used in the IT industry.
Okay. So it allows you decouple application, right? Software from underlying infrastructure.
Yes.
Mm. What we can do with Docker? Hello.
We can containerize our application or our infrastructure.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What is container? What is container in Docker? Container stand unit of software bundle with dependency so that application deploy fastly. Okay.
Okay.
Mhm. Also study. That's why I'm asking. Why we learn Docker? What is the uses of Docker? Means it's very necessary to use Docker, and we can use other tools also.
We can use VMware or
Mhm.
Hyper like this kind, but Docker is more beneficial due to its fastest and low space.
Mhm. Okay. Any other?
And we run multiple applications via Docker.
Okay. Right. Okay. What is Docker image?
Docker image is like OS. We can deploy OS in Docker image.
Any other?
Yeah, it helps to create a container.
Mm-hmm.
You can create the Docker image with build commands,
Mm-hmm.
and due to this, it create container. So it can start with it begins to run. Every Docker image and are stored in I think Docker registry. I guess, right?
Okay. Can we deploy the
Uh,
image in Docker environment?
Come again.
Can we deploy the Docker image in Docker environment and the containers spun there the run in the application also? Is that possible?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Munia, you want to say something?
no, no. Actually, for Docker image,
Mm-hmm.
I wanted to define it as a kind of template which has,
Mm-hmm.
you know, instructions written uh, for creating a container. Like
Okay.
basically, Docker image is a set of instructions.
A
Mm-hmm.
kind of text file, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can.
Image,
Any other also?
image is nothing but we need it to run an application. Like it has all the dependencies, all the
Mm-hmm.
binary
Yeah.
files, runtimes.
Yeah. Correct. Okay. So what is the Docker file?
Doc Docker file is the file. It's a template. I mean, it's a file in which we write the instructions
Mm-hmm.
using some find variables
Mm-hmm.
which help us to create containers. For example, it will mention from which base image you have to pull,
Mm.
all that kind of instruction.
Okay. Any other? I think it's the text file that has all commands, right? Which we need to
Yeah, every
run
instruction being.
which we need to run for building to given images. Okay. So can you tell what is the functionality of hypervisor? Anyone? Okay.
It makes
Mm-hmm.
yeah, Vishnu, go ahead.
Supervisor.
Yeah.
Hyper main function of hypervisor is to create virtual machines, uh, not depend on the host host OS. It is used to create many OS. Right? So that's we can create OS.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, earlier the applications are used to maintain with virtualization concepts. After that, Docker has come. Everybody is using Docker rather than virtualization. Now they are using containerization, right? So that the application deployment is very easily compared to earlier virtualization. So now we are using containerization and updated orchestration tools. So Docker and Kubernetes to deploy the applications efficiently. Earlier virtualizations and VMwares they have used.
Okay. So, any other? Am I audible now? Hello. Okay. Thank
I
you.
have a question.
Mm.
The difference between the virtualization and containerization. So, yeah, what is the demerits of virtualization and why the companies will prefer to containerization? So this is what my question.
Mm. Okay. Nice. Mm-hmm. No problem. Any other also? They know. If they know, they can answer. Yeah. Tell me. Mm-hmm. Okay. Any other? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah, if you want to in virtualization, you have to create a UI. Through hypervisor, you have to create systems, right? You have to create operating systems. But in containerization, you don't want to create any operating system. I think host operating system we can create containers, and then we can run the applications. We can run the applications. But whereas in virtualization, so on the host to host system, we have to from hypervisor we have to create guest virtualization, guest OS. Thereby we have to thereby we have to containerize the application. So I think the infrastructure has been more in hypervisor rather than containerizer. So that's why containerization is less reactive to so lightweight. So compared to virtualization, the complexities is more in virtualization. When creating virtual machines, anyway.
Anyone? Okay. What is the command can be run to import the pre-exported Docker image into another Docker host? Anyone? Just asking what is the command. It's I just message in the group also. Chat, sorry. I'm asking that which command can be run to import the pre-exported Docker image into another Docker host? Which command we are using for this? Yeah, correct. Okay, after that we have to add the source also. I'm just messaging. Also, after that we have to add dot tar. Just a sec. You just see a message in chat. That can this command you can use for the run the pre-exported Docker image into another Docker host. Okay. Anyone, if they know, they can answer. Give the answer. Hello. Okay, fine. Can a paused container be removed from the Docker? It's possible. Can a pause means stop, which container is already stopped, can be removed from the Docker? It's possible or not possible? Hmm. Which container? No, no, it's not possible. A container must be in the stopped state before we can remove it. Hmm. Okay, nice. Uh, yeah, yeah, deleted. I don't know, but it can't stop. So everyone know na what is virtualization, what is containerization. I think already we discussed about this, right? Hello. What is the virtualization? What is the containerization? Okay. Do you know what is the differentiate between the copy and add commands that are used to in a Docker file? Copy and add, both commands. Hmm. Okay, अजीत क्या? Both commands I think have a similar functionality, right? Mhm. Okay. Can container restart by itself? Hello? Mhm. Okay. Can anyone tell how it's possible? Yes, it's possible, but I am asking how it's possible. Mhm. Mhm. Okay, there are any policies also there? Is there any policies like there are four policies are there like off, on failure, unless stopped, and always. Hmm? Off failure like off is the like in this container we can't restart in the case stop or it fails. Okay, and on failure here the container restart by itself when it's experience failures not associated with the user. And unless stopped it unless is that using the this policies you ensure that the container can be restart only when command it execute to stop by the user. And always okay, and always irrespective of the failure or stopping the container always gets restart this type of policy. Okay, do you know docker image and docker layer? Docker image already you told. Docker layer, what is docker layer? Hello. Mhm. Okay. Mhm. Yes. Mhm. Okay. Okay. Any other also? Mhm. I am not getting. Can you tell the approach to log in to the Docker registry? Correct. Uh, okay. So, what is the commonly instruction we are used in Docker file? Most commonly used instruction in the Docker file. Mhm. Uh,
Docker or immediate
label, label also there. So, can you explain one by one, little? What? No. If what if you know run CMD label from and also any things then you can explain little. Mm-hmm. Mm. Yeah, yeah. What? Yes. Yeah. Anyone can give. Mm-hmm. Mm. Okay. Mm. Okay. Everyone understand, right? Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. 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 Any other also? The most commonly used instruction. Prashant. Mm-hmm. Okay, Vishwanath, are you understand everything right now? Mm-hmm. Most commonly used instruction in Docker file. Maybe interview they will ask the question. That's why I'm asking. Okay, most common. Okay, Ajinkya.
Rahul, what are the question? Answer.
Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 We can't understand what you are telling. Hmm. So basically, there is the one form label run CMD. Other I don't know. In form, they are using to send the base image from upcoming instruction. Okay, and the Docker file is considered to valid start with the form instruction. Is the form relative label that is used to image organization based on his projects, modules, or licensing, and it also helps to automation as a specify key value pair while defining a label that can be later accessed to handle programmatically. Okay, run also there. The run actually command to use to execute the instruction following the top of the current image to new layer, and that command run execution, and we add this layer to the top of image, and then we use to the subsequent steps. And cmd command Ajitka telling right. Okay, that command used to provide the default values and sometimes executing the container also. In case multiple, sorry, in case suppose the multiple cmd commands that last instruction, that also would be considered. Okay, any other? Okay, Chinky. What? Multiple. Multiple. That last instruction would be considered. What is the last instruction? Okay. So we can proceed to another question also. Tomorrow we can also start any little project also in Docker, like making image like this. tomorrow. Can I share one task also related, and I will share with the related video also. You have to practice and you have to share the screen and you have to show and you have to describe also. Okay, and it's right now. Okay, fine. Can we proceed to another question, right? Okay, so you know how many containers you can run in Docker? Is there any limit? Hello, anyone? Yes, that's right. Can anyone describe life cycle of Docker container? Hello, life cycle of Docker container. Whatever you know, can explain. We will also have to try. Mm-hmm. 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 Basically, there we are going this some important stages. That stages are what you are telling, like created, running, pause, stop, and deleted. Right? Anyone if you know they can explain. That's also very good. Life cycle. How can we create that state the container just be created in new but to that like how to run, how to pause, how to stop, and how to delete it. Anyone? Okay. The different stage the Docker container start creating these things. So running is the running state. The state is the container would be running with the all associate process. Paused. This state happens when the running container has been paused. Stop. In this state happens when the running container has been stopped. And deleted when the container is in dead state. There is also one chart also there, like first we create. When we create, then we have to, there is two models also, it's running or stop. After running we have to go to there also. If there's to stop, they are going to for deleted. There is the some actually flow chart also there. If I think anyone have, then can share, then it's very easy to understand. Okay, how to use Docker for multiple application environments? Hello, hello. Tell me how to use the Docker for multiple application environments. Hmm. Okay, okay. Ajinkya? Okay, sir. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, so some question. Can I ask some multiple type of question? Okay, you have to tell that what is the right answer. Okay. Which command is used for stopping a running container? Okay, I will give you four options. Mhm. Mhm. Hmm. Correct. Okay, which command is used for running image as a container? There is the four option: Docker ps-m, sudo docker run -i-t, alpine /bin/bash, sudo docker run /container underscore name grows, and all the above. Hmm. I'm asking that what command is used for running images as the container. There is the four option: Docker ps. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, sir. So it's dip. Mhm. Okay, so it depend the machine. Mm-hmm. Okay, okay, okay. Mm. Okay. So what is the cloud hosted service of Docker that provide? Mm. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Okay, I will ask you another, again the question. Okay, this is the question like which command, what command used for running images as a container? What command is used for? Mm, 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 mm. Okay. Okay. Okay, I will type in the chat box. Okay, if I you are not clearly, then I will. Okay, just a second. What? Ah, okay. See the chat box. I will. I will share some options also. Okay, you will tell that which one is right. Okay, I'm sharing the options. Okay. Okay. This is the second. Hmm. It's a second answer also right. Sudo docker run slash t. Oh, sorry, there is the one missing. Uh, uh, Run after that hyphen I hyphen t. I think there is this one missing. Mm-hmm. Yeah, sorry. Option actually I'm not submitted clearly. That's why. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay, sir. Uh, okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Another question, sir. What is a cloud-hosted services of Docker, providing registry capabilities for public and private content? Can I ask again? What is the cloud-hosted service of Docker, providing registry capabilities for public and private content? I will give you four options. Okay. Yeah, correct. Docker Hub. Okay. Another. What is the use for converting pool of Docker host into a single virtual Docker host? Can I ask again? What is the use for converting pool of Docker host into a single virtual Docker host? Can I give the four options also? Docker image, Docker compose, Docker hub, Docker swarm. What is the correct answer? Okay, again I will ask you. Okay, what is used for converting a pool of Docker host into a single virtual Docker host? It's clear? Okay, I think I will write in the chat box. Okay, Okay, I will tell you. It's long. I have to type so much. What is used for converting a pool of Docker? Understand? What is used for converting a pool of Docker host into a single virtual Docker host? Okay, there is the option Docker Ibis, Docker Compose, Docker Hub, and Docker Swarm. Am I audible? Audible or not audible? Okay. Mhm. Again, I will tell. What is used for converting a pool of Docker host into a single virtual Docker host? My goodness. Yes, Docker Swarm. Okay. Another question. What command is used for viewing all running containers? I will again tell you. Listen carefully. Huh? What command is used for viewing all running containers? I will give you the options also. Docker ps, Docker ps hyphen a, Docker rm, Docker show. Yeah, Docker ps is right. Yeah. Okay. What is a template used for? Yes. Saturday I will give you one test. Okay. Then you can do this. Saturday, Sunday, any day. Okay. Because in this week we will discuss only Docker, and after that I will give you questions related in the chat box. Otherwise, I don't know how anything. I will think about how to do this. Okay. And after that, I can see that how many people are doing this. Okay. So another question. What is a template used for describing a build of an image? What is a template used for describing a build of an image? Yes, correct. Mm-hmm. Okay, sir. Okay, so mhm. Someone's phone ringing. Okay, I'm asking the true false question. Okay, multiple containers running on a single machine. Okay, carefully. Multiple content running on a single machine all share the same resource, such as operating system, kernel for instant boot and efficient utilization of RAM. True or false? I just copy paste in chat box. Okay, just a second. Okay, just a second. Joining. Anyone can see the chat box? Now you can see and tell me. It's true or false? Yeah. Okay. कौन बनेगा करोड़पति जीत गए सब. Okay. Uh, Okay, okay. Now you can see again one question. What is the default IP address of the Docker host? There is the four option. Which option is the correct? Yes, correct. You have to see in chat box. Okay. Another question. What command is used to go inside a running container? There is the four option. How many for second? Yeah. How many for second? Docker exit hyphen it container underscore id. Okay. This is the last question. Okay. After that, I will share you the tomorrow topic. Mhm. Okay, there is another also. What command is used for remove all stop containers, unused networks, build cache, and tagging images? There is the four option. You have to select one. Which one is correct? First, no, no. Docker system. Uh, per- hmm, no, last not one. Okay, so KBC competition over. Tomorrow I will share you the one real-time session task and how to make this also. So anyone have to share the screen and they have to explain how to do this. Okay, and after that also we are playing one KBC, little KBC last time. Last question. This is the third. Hmm, Docker system. Hmm. Okay, so tomorrow I will share the PDF. Okay, in the group Telegram channel only. Okay, you can easily find in WhatsApp group. Newly joined people again asking, so that's why I'm sending Telegram. Easily anyone can find. Okay, anyone joining new, they are asking again. Send me the videos. Okay, so fine. Anyone asking the group is Kubernetes videos, right? I'm sharing the Kubernetes notes. Anyone asking Kubernetes videos? So can we first complete Docker? After that we can go in Kubernetes. Already shared Docker material. You have to check in Telegram only. It's a drive link. There is the 10 folder. In 10 folder, Docker videos, PDF, everything is available. You have to check on it. Okay. Before 2 days I shared, not today. Hmm. Okay. So fine. So tomorrow we have one task. I will share you the task. You have to complete this task to tomorrow only, and Saturday or Sunday in both in 1 day, 1 hour. I will give one test type like I will check how many people complete or not. Okay, like training for which training? This is the not training. This is the discussion group. To where I refer you? You want training, proper training, or what? Job? Okay, like this you are telling, no? Okay, send me your CV. Okay, and first tell me, as fresher or experienced? Okay, okay, fine. You just message me. I will give you some numbers. You have to call them. Okay. Okay, you have to ask him. Is there any opening? And also, I am sharing the one PDF. Okay, this is the one task. You have to complete this task. After that, make one video. You have to describe how to make this video. And there is the one email ID, company email ID. You have to mail this video. Let's see what happened after that. Okay, and also I'm sharing, no problem. Okay, you just share me the CV, and before one day, if you are fresher, then I will take your test. If you are not fresher, then I'm not taking your test. Okay. Hmm. Any other? It's a test like KBC, but there is no money. Only who will win, I will tell him you are win. Hmm. Okay. So in the Docker related in this week, whatever we cover related topics, I will ask you question. Otherwise, I will make one PDF. I will share the screen. And how can I ask the answer if chat box not possible? I will think about what I can do. Okay. Uh, okay. Let's see. I will make one form. Okay. And this form I will really ask questions, and I will share the topics also. Multiple options. Everyone have to tick. I can see who give correct answer. Okay. Okay then. So we can meet tomorrow same time. I will share you the task. You have to complete this one. Okay.